Welcome to Locapon. Thank you for becoming a Locapon merchant. We look forward to assisting your business in attracting new and established customers through geo-targeted Locapon coupons. The Locapon app is very merchant-driven. As a Locapon merchant, you are in control through our Locapon Dashboard. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the Locapon Merchant Dashboard. We will show you how to create target locations, how to start new campaigns, and how to make Locapon Deals. We will also show you some of the other features of the Locapon Dashboard. First, let's log into the dashboard. Go to app.locapon.com/login. Use your login credentials to sign in to your account. If you are new to Locapon, you will have received a welcome email with your username and password. When you first log in, it will bring you to the main Locapon dashboard page. First, we will explore the process of creating and editing target locations. On the left menu, click Locations. Here you will see a list of all your locations. To create a new location, click the Create Location button. There are two main ways to create a new target location. The first way is to select the location on the map. Say I wanted to target Western University in London, Ontario. I can find Western on the map and click where I want the center of the target location to be. As you can see, the address of where I clicked will auto-populate in the correct boxes below. Now I just need to fill out the rest of the form. Make sure to always check off the active box. We can name our target location and make sure to change it to a target location. You can also add a description if you would like. Finally, I can choose the radius for this target location. Right now, it is set to 1 kilometer. I can choose from any of the radiuses on the list. Let's say 5 kilometers. Now, if you click Map Location, you can see that the target area on our map has increased to 5 kilometers around the center location. Once you're done, you can click Save. As you can see, Western University is now on our list of locations. The second way to create a target location is to actually type in the address. Say I specifically wanted to target Fanshawe College and I know the address. Instead of finding Fanshawe on the map and then clicking it, I can simply type in the address. Again, don't forget to check the active box. And change to a target location. The address for Fanshawe College is 1001 Fanshawe College Boulevard. And let's keep the radius at 1 kilometer. When creating target locations this way, make sure to click the Map Location button before you save. We can now see our radius on the map. Now you can see that Fanshawe College is now on our list of target locations. To edit a location, simply click on the green Edit button next to that location. Make any necessary changes, and make sure to click the Map Location button. Then click Save. To delete a location, click the red Delete button next to that location. Now that you know how to create different target locations, let's create a new campaign. On the left menu, click Campaigns. Here you will see a list of all your campaigns. To create a new campaign, click the Create Campaign button. Here you can fill out all the information for your new campaign. Because my example business is a tutoring company, I'm going to make a campaign that specifically targets university and college students. Remember to check the active box. Name your campaign and add a description. For the gender, let's select all. I want to make sure I cover most of the students going to Fanshawe and Western, so let's make the age between 17 and 27. I'm going to start the campaign today and have it run until the end of the semester. For my target locations, I want to select Western University and Fanshawe College. Because my company is a tutoring business, let's select Services. Once you've filled out all the information to your liking, you can click the Save button. Now you can see the new campaign we just created in our list of campaigns. If you want to edit a campaign, simply click the blue Edit button next to the campaign, and it will bring you back to this form. Make any necessary changes, and then click Save. Now that you know how to create Locapon campaigns, you can now start making deals. On the left menu, click Deals. Here you will see a list of all your coupons. If you only wish to see the coupons for a specific campaign, click Campaigns, and then click the Coupons button next to that campaign. Here you will see a list of the coupons that are specifically in that campaign. To make a new deal, click the Create Deal button and fill out the information for your coupon. Select the campaign and name your coupon. The name of your coupon should be something short that will catch the attention of your potential customers. In the description, you can elaborate a little more on what you are offering. The text 1, 2, and 3 boxes will be bullet points that appear underneath your coupon on the app. These can be any further details that you want to include, terms or conditions that may apply to your coupon, or even additional contact information for your company. Again, these 3 text lines are very customizable, so make them whatever you'd like. The coupon code can also be anything you want. Some companies have a specific structure that they want to use for their coupon codes. I'm going to use UCS001 because this is my first coupon in my university college student campaign. When choosing a start and end date for your coupon, make sure that the date range is within the campaign date range. Otherwise, your coupon may not appear on the app. To assist you with this, you can see the campaign start and end date next to the deal start and end date here. Then you can select the retail locations. If you have multiple retail locations, you will be able to choose the retail locations that apply. Finally, we need to choose which days of the week and what time of the day to run this coupon. This can be your business hours, or it can be more specific. For example, if a restaurant wanted a coupon that only ran during their low traffic times. As you can see here to the right, we have a preview of what the coupon will look like on the Locapon app. Once you are happy with your coupon and have looked it over for any spelling or other errors, click the Save button. You will now be able to see your coupon in your list of deals. In order to send a coupon to the app, make sure to click the Launch button next to the coupon. Once you do so, this blue box that says Active will appear, which means that your coupon will now show up on the Locapon app. If you ever want to pause a coupon, click the Pause button, and then your coupon will not appear to any new customers entering the coupon's target areas. To edit the coupon, click the green Edit button to reopen the coupon information form. Make the necessary changes, and then click Save. Make sure you click Save before exiting or navigating elsewhere. To delete a coupon, click the red Delete button next to that coupon. Great! You are all set to start creating your own Locapon deals. Before we finish off this tutorial video, I will just show you some of the other features on the Locapon Dashboard. Under the Dashboard tab, you can see an overview of your account. Here you will see the total impressions, which is how many times your coupons have hit a user's phone, the total coupon redeems, your account balance and your budget, and how much of your budget you've used. Under the Stats tab, you can see some more specific details on your impressions and redeems by entering a specific start and end date and clicking the Update button. Under Billing, you can add to your account balance, change your budget, or update your credit card information. Under Settings, you can update your email address or change your password. You can also visit the Help tab for more help on how to navigate the Locapon Dashboard. You are now all set to get the most out of being a Locapon merchant. We encourage you to log in to the dashboard and explore. Remember, coupons will not appear on the app until you click Launch, so feel free to make some mock coupons to get familiar with the dashboard. Once you are comfortable, you can create and launch as many campaigns and coupons as you would like. Make sure to take advantage of how customizable Locapon coupons can be. Also, don't forget to download the Locapon app yourself, as well as inform your employees to download and become familiar with the app. We encourage you and your employees to be familiar with having consumers click the Redeem button in the app when a coupon is redeemed. If you have any questions about Locapon, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team. You can email them at customerservice@locapon.com or call 1-855-845-1220 or visit our website for more information at www.locapon.com.